stripped down naked. I'm Jacinda, pole dancer, business owner, mother, and wellness coach. Owning a pole studio and working with hundreds of women over the past 10 years and witnessing the physical, emotional, and spiritual influence that pole dancing has on women, I've created a liberating technique called strip down therapy, where a woman has the opportunity to strip away limiting beliefs and embrace the serenity of self-love and inner peace. So today is a big day for Strip Down Naked. We get to see an amazing young woman named Kearria Freed. She was involved in a tragedy back in 2015 where she and 10 other kids were in the middle of a shooting spree by a lone gunman. These kids were just at spring break, having a good time. The man entered and shot 10 of these kids. Kearria actually suffered the greatest injuries.
So I seen your video on Facebook. I was just so amazed at how far you come. And I don't know how any non-believer in the world could watch that video and not know that there is a God. I think that is one of the reasons that I went through what I went through. It was to make non-believers believe. I say this faith makes things possible in life. Absolutely.
Who is Kearria Freed?
Kearria Freed is a miracle.
Can you tell us who Kearria Freed was before the moment that the tragic event happened? Who was she?
A 20-year-old sophomore in college, attending Alabama A&M University on spring break, just trying to have fun in Panama City, because that's where the party was. Someone texted me about a house party, and so I told my friends, let's go, it's spring break, let's have fun. But when we got to the house party, it was like 3 people there, maybe 3 to 5 people there, and I was like, okay y'all, let's just go, because nobody's here, let's go do something else. I'm like, no, it's spring break, this is what we here for, the party. And we stayed, and
your life changed.
Yes.
Now, most people would experience something of this nature and feel victimized. You don't feel like a victim. You never ask God why.
I've never questioned God. When my mom, they said that they was questioning because, I wouldn't say I've done everything right, because we all seen we're human.
Right.
But I was following plans that God had me, doing the right things.
And your parents doing, and they probably want to know why.
Mm-hmm.
Why my daughter?
I was strong for her when she couldn't be strong for herself, and she was strong for me when I couldn't be strong for myself.
So to see a strong woman like your mother be crushed, I know you pulled her out of it. It might have been just a wink of an eye when you couldn't talk.
It actually was my finger.
Really?
She told me, she said, when I was in ICU. Yeah. She would talk to me when it just happened. She said we'll pray and stuff, and she would say, "Here, if you hear me, just show me a sign or anything." And I was so weak. Even though my right side wasn't affected, I was still weak.
Right.
But she said it was just a little twinkle of my finger. My little sister was on spring break. She was in high school. She was on spring break, and for her spring break, she came and she was with me the whole week. And my mom would always tell her to just leave me alone, let me rest. And she would always try to rest with me and stuff. Mm-hmm. My mom left the room, and when my mom came back, my little sister was in my face with a pad and a pen telling me to write my name. The first thing I wrote was
tell anybody anything right now about life, what would you tell them?
To strive for greatness, to have faith in God that He will get you through.
Is life worth living?
Yes, ma'am.
So a lot of people out there need to hear that. Your pole party that you had with us. That was so fun. I enjoyed every moment of that. Tell us about that experience.
It was amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was more than what I expected. I was just thinking, I just walk around the pole, do a little dip here and there. No, I danced the entire time I was there.
So that person who did that didn't take your partying spirit, did not take your ability and your spirit to have a good time and enjoy yourself. That is awesome. There are some things that you want to accomplish with your headman line. Tell us about that.
Oh, my Pretty Girl Rock.
Pretty Girl Rock.
Yeah. When I was in Panama City, I had brought my headbands that I wear on the beach. It's in one of my pictures. I had the headband on.
I think I saw it.
Yeah.
I think I did, yeah.
And during my time in rehab and stuff, my mom, when she first showed me myself, I thought I was ugly because my hair was gone. I was completely bald. I had this thin in my head. My eye was swollen and black, and I didn't see Kearria at all. And to lift my spirits, to just make me feel like myself, my mom put on my headband, and she could tell how it made me feel. At the time, I couldn't show facial expression, really, but she just saw me light up.
Felt your energy, felt you glow.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Accommodations.
I want to make the headbands and donate them to different hospitals and stuff. Just to let women, girls, whoever, know that they're still beautiful no matter what their appearance is on the outside.
Absolutely.
They're still beautiful, and they have a purpose as well.
In lieu of what you just said about being beautiful on the inside rather than the outside, I have a movement called Dime Piece Life. And when you think of the word dime piece in pop culture, it talks about a woman with a pretty face, big butt, and a small waist. And that's what society wants us to believe. And that is, that's a self-destructive way of thinking. And God gave me something centered around the number 10. 10 symbolizes wholeness. And when you're made whole, you've been given peace. So He put up on my heart to start the movement called Dime Piece Life. So you are the true definition of a dime piece. You are a perfect 10. And in that song, Pretty Girl Rock, that you love, you know, I think it's amazing because she sings, what is it, all eyes on me when I walk in, don't hate me because this girl's a 10.
Yeah.
And I just love the fact that you love that song. You are a perfect 10 because a perfect mind is a perfect 10. It's who you are on the inside that makes you beautiful. Nothing on the outside. You can be limited by your outer, you know, who you are on your outside. And you're never limited by who you are on the inside. Never. You're powerful. And I just love you for that. And so you are the beginning of my dime piece. I am honored. T-shirt, this is yours. I love you. And as you said, you're cold, so this is perfect. Please put it on. You are a dime piece, honey. You are a true dime piece. You are the only dime piece.
Thank you.
You're welcome. No, thank you. So put it on because you said you're cold.
Dime piece size 22 and up.
Yes, ma'am, girl. Oh my God, thank you so much. This is awesome.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Stripped Down Naked. Tune in next week as Kearria shows us how to strip away limiting beliefs, and we'll also meet her mother, her biggest support. Special thanks to Kearria Freed and Madonna Burton. To audition and share your story, or if you are a business and would like to sponsor an episode, please email us at contact@strippedownnaked.com. Don't forget to like us on social media.
Play it cool and do a thing like you, cause you got it, baby. Yeah, you got it, baby. You see a broken wing, don't mean a thing. Keep flying high up over everything, cause you got it, baby. Yeah, you